Yo guys, welcome to my trade recap. I just finished trading at fucking 9:43, so it took me 13 minutes to finish my day. This was the most free long I've ever seen. If you didn't take this or even think about taking this, you are a fucking cucumber, bro. What the fuck are you doing? I'm joking. It's okay if you didn't take this. I'll teach you why. Next time that you see this shit, you'll take it because this was the most A plus perfect long I've ever seen. All right, so. Starting off with the bias, what are we looking at here is that we are currently rejecting a 1 hour, 4 hour bullish gap right here, right? So we're rejecting this. We didn't inverse this. We wicked this, and then we just like rejected a lot. All right. So what does that mean? I'm gonna be maybe focusing on bullish, right? What else can make me focus on bullish? If you look at the lower time frame, if you look at the 60-minute or the 1 hour, what do we have? A bullish inversion. Like you see this, like we inverse this bearish gap. Alright, we broke down all of this range, all this LR with like really good displacement. And what's next? This 1 hour here. Alright, this is the next draw liquidity because price wants to rebalance the range. Alright, price looks to rebalance the range every time. So that was my target, that was my take profit, right? So what was I looking at here? I wanted price to tap back into this 1 hour bullish gap. Let me just mark it out. To this 1 hour bullish gap right here, and then look for a continuation towards this 1 hour as a take profit. Or it could have even just tapped this one, but I didn't care if we tapped this one. Why? Because if you just look at the range, let me just mark it out right here. I'm just going to we already tapped this range here, so I didn't really need more. I didn't need the 0.5. I really just wanted price to go up. I knew price was going to go up with all the displacement we're having, all the just this bullish reaction was just so obvious to me. I didn't need more of a retracement than that. Alright, so then what I look at is the 15-minute. As you can see, there was no gaps here that I could have used to reject from, apart from this one, but it was way too much in discount, so I just didn't care about it. Just took the first IVG, the first 1 hour unfilled gap to hit. We hit it, and then we instantly started displacing up. We also had an internal S&T with these lows. ES did not take out this low yet, I believe. At the time, yeah, we still didn't take out these lows. So we also had an internal S&T alongside with just this very bullish bias. Tap the 1 hour, look at this bullish reaction we had. Then what do you look at on the 1 minute? Perfect, you could say PDI or even Mech model. Why? Because you have a low, swing high, swing low, manipulation candle that manipulated into the gap, S&T at the internal liquidity, and perfect IVG for the perfect displacement IVG here. And then I hit this for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. I probably made 1.5k today. Chill day. Still need more money to pass my eval because of the fucking consistency, but shit happens. Alright, and I went break even here. I didn't go for any emotional break evens at this high or this high because that's just so fucking stupid. We're in a very uncertain market, so I'm gonna go break even as late as I can, at least at the 1-to-1, because you don't want to go break even when it's too early or too late. That's the perfect range. All right, didn't TP here because there was a 1 hour unfilled gap right here. Why would I TP here if there's the most perfect drawn liquidity up here, right? This is what I'm targeting, not this random high, right? So yeah, that's my trade for the day. Tell me guys if you have any questions, and see you guys next week if I take more trades.